In today's arithmetic starter, we're looking at division. We're going to be using long division or the bus stop method to solve all of these problems. So our first calculation is going to be 2 divided into 54. Now we show the division sign like this. We've got 2's into 5, goes twice and carries 1. And now we've got 2's into 14 gives 7. So the first answer is 27. Second question can be laid out in a similar way. We've got 3's into 168. Don't really need a space between the 3 and the 168 because by the time you write the division sign it's fairly obvious. So 3's into 1 doesn't go. It's a good idea to put the 0 so you don't lose track of the place value. 3's into 16 goes 5 times and leaves a remainder of 1, and then 3's into 18 goes 6. So this answer is this time is 56. Third calculation doesn't lend itself to a long division method, so we're better by using place value knowledge. So we know that the units, there's tenths and there's hundredths, and to separate them out we need to make sure there's a clear decimal point. So we start off with 0.9 divided by 10, which means everything has to move one place to the right. So we move the 0 into the tenths columns, we move the 9 from the tenth columns into the hundredths columns, and then we make sure we've still got a decimal point and we put a place value holder because it's important. 0.09. Finally, the most challenging of the calculations, which we're going to use formal long division. So we've got 21 into 456. Now, a technique which is really effective for this is to actually work out what different sets of 21 is. So we know 21, 42. So that's 1 times, 2 times, and that's enough to start off with because 42 is where we're going. So we're going to end up with 21's into 4 doesn't go. 21's into 45 goes twice. We've only got a remainder of 3. Now 21 into 36 goes 1, and that leaves us a remainder of 15, and that's enough for this calculation.